How to request a refund on McDonald's application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to request a refund for your McDonald's app, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, make sure you have installed and downloaded the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that is done, launch the application and log in. Now that you have logged in, on the home page, click on the menu option, which is usually on the bottom navigation bar. From there, you will see an option of Contact Us. That is usually under Career, Contact and Legal. Once that is done, fill in your full name, email, phone number and description of the issue you have encountered. It could be missing item, incorrect order or so. Once you have filled in the details, tap on Refund Request and then click on Submit. Now you have to wait for the response, which could take from 24 hours to 48 hours. And then once you have been confirmed, you can process your refund request. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.